In this next set of exercises, we'll be looking at complex numbers and the operations on them. Express in terms of I and simplify the square root of negative 50. So we'll begin this by rewriting 50 as 25 times 2, as well as isolating the negative as negative 1. So this would be the square root of 25 times 2 times negative 1. So then what we will do is rewrite each of these radicals, that is square root of 25 times square root of 2 times square root of negative 1. And now simplifying, square root of 25 is 5, square root of 2 remains as is, and the square root of negative 1 is I. So our answer is 5 times the square root of 2, I.